Hi, I'm Angie with Love and Glitter Designs. I'm going to be making a bow to go on my new St. Patrick's Day wreath. A bit of a mess, just got home from work, so ignore that. Okay, my first ribbon is going to be this fair silk. It's gold with green on the back. It's reversible, you can use it either way. I'm going to use, I thought I wanted the gold on top. I think I'm going to use the green on top. Then I'm going to use this one, then this, and this. I think that goes better, right? All right. So we're going to use the green side. About that much. It's about 13, 14 inches. So I'm going to fold it up. Okay. Okay, I love you can see the gold underneath, which is really nice. Okay. So make sure the loops are about the same length. Okay. Probably gonna want this one shorter, but I'm gonna cut it about here for now. Okay. It's basic bow. Next, we're gonna use one with the shamrocks on it to go with my sign. Right there, just right on top. Now the only thing about, okay, it's not one directional. Sometimes it gets a little tricky when you're using one directional ribbon. Okay. And then we have our second layer, and that's it. Make it a little shorter so you can see the pretty bow underneath. Okay. Put it out there for now. I'll make adjustments once I put it on my wreath, but showing you the basic bow. The next ribbon I'm going to use is this gold trimmed green. Put that on top. It's going to be a little, yeah, that's good. Sometimes it's just easier to throw it on the floor. Sort of fighting with it on your table. And I have these other selections of ribbons too, but I thought this is going to go with my with my sign and everything else I'm putting in it. So, okay. And then on top, I'm going to use this. Another fair silk, more green and gold. Beautiful emerald color. Take that back, that's not the next ribbon. This is the next ribbon. Try to alternate colors and textures. You don't want to put the same color and texture on top because it kind of blends in. So we're going to use this lighter shade to contrast. Like I said, I had plenty of others to decide from, but it's a really nice Dupioni-like. It's okay to mix budget-friendly ribbon with your more expensive. You don't always have to use one or the other. That way it keeps your costs down if you're selling, or if you're making this at home for yourself. You're not going to break the bank doing it. And anybody can do this. Okay. Yeah, thought so. And you can always make more adjustments, even when it's finished, if you don't tighten what you're going to use on the back too much. Yeah, I want this one a little longer. It's flowy, so let's leave this one a little longer. Okay, now we're coming in with this one. See how nicely that contrasts? And I'm gonna leave this longer. I want it to do a twirly thing. Okay. And at this point, because I don't have a lot, we can either do this and just do something like that. But I don't think that's what I want to do. I'm going to make an actual bow. This is going to be a statement bow. Look how well that stands up. And on this bow, I'm just going to do one loop of each ribbon, because I'm probably going to add another bow in another part of the wreath. So, don't want to do overkill. And that's basically it. About right there. Okay. The zip tie. It's black. And a chenille stem. It's really thick, so you gotta hold it real well. Okay. Put your chenille stem in. Or whatever you're using. It doesn't have to be a chenille stem. It can be whatever you want. It could be another zip tie. It could be wire. Whatever you're used to working with. And I don't make it super tight yet until I finish adjusting everything to see how it's gonna look. And you can adjust this again once it goes on the wreath. You can make it more adjustments however you want it to look, so it's completely flexible and easy to adjust until you tighten this too tight. Then you can't really make any adjustments. You can fix it and adjust it however you want, but there we go. It's my bow. I hope this was helpful for you and you try it yourself. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.